back to my channel. So I am back for another week in the collab. This week is banners. So I used the nesting banners. So the rules for this week, you had to use either a chipboard or 110-pound chipboard, not 110 chipboard, either chipboard or 110-pound cardstock. You had to use two or either two or three embellishments and a sentiment, and I think and you can use any paper you want to use, and I think that was all. Oh, you had to have holes and you had to have string. So this is what I came up with. So I used nesting dies, and I've been using the same paper because I want my whole kit when I'm done to match in the end. So when I did this, actually, this is my second one actually, because the first banner set, the first one I did, I actually threw it because I was like, I didn't like the first one I did, so this is my second one. So I end up doing this is a washi car, and I use a flower bling, and then here you have a banner up here that says up and anim, and up here that says there's some wash up in here. It's like it's a kind of special design up here. It's like a diamond type, I want to say, up in here. There's a star up in here. Then I popped a sticker on foam. Then I have my sentiment that says happy place. And then I took a flower, there was a circle, I popped that here. Then here's some corner pieces here. I popped those so they wouldn't, because I was like, I didn't want it to be plain here, so I popped the corner pieces here. And so, oh yeah, then then I put, here's my little string here. So what I did was just put a little piece of string here, some tape here. So when my partner gets it, she can very easy, if she wants, she can like tie it, because sometimes people like tie it in here. I don't know how she wanted. She can easily just take it and tie it here and tie it there. And so this is what I came up with in the end. I like it in the end. I think it turned out like cute in the end the second time around. So I think it's cute. So what you think about it? So and thanks for stopping by. Like, subscribe. Go take a look at the other girls that see what they made. I'm gonna link them below, and see ya.